Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to recover the deleted Facebook post from your activity log and you are looking out how to do so, you may follow up these process for that. Open a Facebook application for that, and once you open it up, we can navigate to your profile or your settings. So look out for your menu option in the top right and select it. And from there, you need to select the settings option. You can scroll down, find settings and privacy and drop it down. And then just go over and select the option of settings from there. Tap on it. Now, once you find your settings, what you need to do is you need to go over and scroll down to your activity section. This one right here. And there you'll be finding option for activity log. So tap on it. And once you tap on activity log in the activity log menu, often on the left hand side, usually you will be finding option at the very top also sometimes called archive or the recycle bin. So you just need to look out for that option and tap on it. And once you find it up, from the given options, you will be seeing the post that you moved to trash without a countdown until permanent deletion, usually 30 days. You just need to hover over the post and you should be finding a restore option, restore to profile. And you just need to confirm it. Sometimes even in archive, you can find it up. And you can just go over and look out for the post and, restore it on your Facebook page. And that's it. If the 30-day period has already crossed, then the content staying in the trash will be deleted before automatic permanent deletion. But usually to recover your deleted Facebook post from your activity log, you need to follow up the steps. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.